Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can edit a photo. So again we're in PicMonkey, so again come over to picmonkey.com. This time we're going to just edit a photo, so go ahead and click to edit a photo. This time we're just going to select an image here. Let's see if we can find a really lovely image here. Beautiful ones. Let's have a look. Here we are. Let's just have a plain beach. I love the beach. So here we've got our image here. Now let's see what we can actually do with this. Again, this is really something that you can come in and have a little play with, see what different effects and things that you can have. So we'll just go through some of them here. So what we're going to do at the moment is we're going to come down and see the P is text, so we're going to click on that. And again, there's all the different fonts there that you can use. We're just going to click on add text and drag that over to onto our wall here. Come on, a little bit slow here. I'm just going to click add text. There we are. So we've got a box to be working in here, and again you can click in the middle and drag that where you want it to go, and you can see we've also got the sizes and the fonts over on this side. So if we wanted to go in here and say we could create a remember I was saying in one of them you could create tips, so we could say tip number one of 7. There we are. So we're going to have, so now somebody who's going to repin tip number 1 means that they will be looking out for, you know, the whole set of tips, and this is a way that you can get your whole marketing message out, because the very nature of people on Pinterest, they like to collect things and they like to share things. So let them collect and share your marketing message. So this is it. We're going to put tip 1 of 7 here, and again we can just you know, we can highlight it. And we can change the colour of it here. Let's have a look here. Oh, dear, it's not let me do it now. Let's see it. Let's go in here. We could have got a bit of black. So we are. We can have it on different colours. We can have it on different fonts, different sizes. Let's see, we are. Click it here. Tip 1 of 7. That stands out. You might want to change that colour. And just have a little play around and see what you kind of like. Because again, it's all. See how you've got different sizes, tip 1 of 7. Just take that and move it around. You might want to bring it down. Might want to bring it down to here. And then you can add in some more text here. You might want to say, okay, tip 1 of 7. What should we have here then? Always have your sunglasses handy. And there we are. Not a particularly good tip, but there we are. Well, as I said, it depends on what it is that you want to have. Always have your sunglasses when on the beach. There we go. There we are. And we're going to just highlight that again and colour that, and again different sizes, different things that you want to do with it. Have a nice little play. You can italicize it. You can, you know, just a bit like a Word document thing here. So you can just play. You can darken it, lighten it. You know, as I said, you can have all sorts of different things that you want to do with it. The thing is that it's just to be able to manipulate and have you know, some different things on your actual images that's going to make them stand out with a call to action. So let's move that up here and have a colour. There we go. Let's have a different colour so it's going to stand out. There we are. That's fine. And then you could put in your website address. So you may want to put in here www. website.com. There we are. So it means that if anybody is actually going to then repin this, your address, your contact details are going to be there with it. So let's just move that over there. So that's fine. So you've actually added some different text and different images on. Now there's other things that you can do to manipulate this, so we can just have a quick little look down here. If you come down to this little square here, this is, we can frame it. So we may want to put a frame around it, and you can see straight away that's changed it. It looks you know, very different from just a plain image there. You could change the outline colors here, so you could have it, you know, whatever you kind of want to have it there. Let's have something, a dusty pink there or something, or there we are. You can bold the thickness of the line. Can you see the edge of it there? You can do that with it, and then you're going to click apply. You can come up here and you could round the corners if you wanted to. You can see, you can just take those corners there, and if you wanted to, you could change the background color. Can you see that, so that you've got some different colors there? And again, you could change that. Can you see that's moving that in like that? And we could go back and change that to blues or turquoises. You know, you can have some real fun playing with these here. And again, it just makes the images so they're different, they're powerful, they're shareable. You know, rather than just taking that plain image, we've now manipulated that and made it very different. And there we are. Let's just put a bit of a different colour on here so that we've got something. I don't know what colour to have there. Again, you can just really play about and please yourself what you really like. Another thing that you could actually do with it, let's have a look down here. We can apply that. So we've applied that. And if you come to Polaroid frames, click on here, and you can see it does take the colour of the image down. I must admit, it really is not as vibrant. But you could, if you wanted to, have that as a different kind of, you know, a Polaroid image. It's still got your tip on it, but it does take the vibrancy down. But you know, it's just another way that you can actually utilize it. So here we can just keep that to this kind of image here, and we can save it. And again, we can save that to our desktop or save it wherever you're going to save them, and you can actually now start to use that. You could share it directly if you wanted to, as we did in the previous example. We shared it directly to Pinterest. So let's go ahead and just recap and show you how we did that. So we're going to, yes, we're ready to cap it, and we can put this pic here. We're going to pin it. Go and see our pin right now. There it is there, all done and beautifully. Let's have a look at our board. We pinned it to in here. So we've got the same pin here. And again, as we've said, we can edit it. We can take out the link. This would take us back to the PicMonkey link, but we could take it back to our website. And don't forget, it has to be the website that you have opened your Pinterest account with. So let's have a look at this one. It has to be that account. So we're going to click there, click save it. So now if anybody comes along and sees it, they can click on it and it will take them back to your website. So if we just come up here and have a look here, click on our Pinterest account. There it is there, it's on the wall because I've just done it. Somebody can come along and say, oh, that's lovely. Click on that now. Oh, that's beautiful. Where is this? Tip number 1. And it takes you back to your website. Really fantastic. People can comment on it. You've got a tip there. You've got your website on it. You've got, people can collect those tips. And, you know, it just gives it so much more than just having a plain image. It could stand out on the walls here. So that's just really using PicMonkey to create powerful pins that have you know, different messages on, tips on, your website address on, and I'm sure you can think of lots of other ways that you can use it for your industry and your niche. Just adding value to your pins, adding value to your potential clients, and just something that they're going to want to repin, they want to share and drive it back to your website. So that's it for this little video. I've got lots more to show you, so I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.